Hi everyone. This is a video. I'm replacing the radio, the speakers in my car. John's my cameraman for today. And I'm trying to diagnose right now which speakers aren't working, because before these two ones weren't working and now it's this one and this one. I don't know. So I'm trying to figure it out right now. Now this one's working.
What? Which one?
It's working now, this one.
The back white?
Yeah.
Is it with the settings?
I don't know why it's treble, fade. Alright, so balance all the way to the right. This one doesn't work. Fuck. There you go. Alright, so balance. So that one works. Fuck, I did it again. I couldn't have sworn this one didn't work just now.
Is it the...
And that one worked.
Is it the way it's set up on the thing?
Like, yeah, but like now it's fine. It doesn't make any sense.
Maybe it's like its own system, like if you want the two front or the two back, you know?
Yeah, but like you can change the way that fuck. You can change the balance, like to hear it on different sides, like whichever one you prefer. Like you can hear it more to the left or more to the right. And now it's balanced, like it's supposed to be 50-50. You hear it 50 here, 50 there.
Yeah.
And now it's like not working like it should have. Like now this didn't work at all anyway. But that one worked and that one worked. Now this one is not working and now this one's working. So it's weird. So I'm gonna get the new speakers and see if it came with a 4. I don't know what I ordered. I think I ordered 2 of them. Not sure if I ordered 4. I think I ordered 2, if I'm not mistaken. Or 4. I don't know. I really don't know. If I ordered 4, that'd be sick. I need a knife to cut this. So I'm guessing I got... This is 1. So I got 4, so we'll just replace all of them. So that'll get rid of the issue.
There's 4 of them in there?
Wait, did I get a sticker? Oh, hell, what is this? Oh. Is this a sticker? Yo, it's a vinyl sticker. I'm gonna save that. So I got a fucking sticker. I don't know where to put it. I'll probably put it on the toolbox, but I'll save that for now. So we got 1. I don't know if these are any good. Oh shit. Did I break it or?
Oh, jeez.
Never installed speakers before. I mean, I have, but not like. I think that's what you're supposed to do. I don't know. Alright. So I'm going to take one of them apart and see what it looks like. So these are like all trim removal tools. You can use them to like pop plastic rivets and stuff like that. I'm not just talking to them, I'm actually talking to you too. To like tell you. I don't know why you'd care, but alright. So...
In case the zombie apocalypse comes.
Yeah, you need to... Just in case the zombie apocalypse comes, you need to know when to pick trim off your car, because you need that in the zombie apocalypse for some reason. Philip? Who's Philip? This is Philip. Gotta get that camera angle.
Just in case they want to see up close.
Yeah, just in case, because this is some high quality stuff. You gotta be worried.
Yeah. Oh,
I'm really
is
gonna
it?
take all of them out.
Yeah, is this one?
I don't want to take all of them out, but I guess I have to. Oh, well. Thought I could finesse it a little, just because the speaker's right there. Fuck. I have a spare one though. I have a bunch of spares because I knew that would happen. See, the problem with these is they're kind of like one-time uses. It's like once you use them once, I just scratched it again.
Oh no.
Once you use them once, you're kind of fucked because you know it's gonna break again. I mean, you know, like it's gonna break, and there's nothing you can do about it. This would be a good time to use that trim removal tool, like that. Oh, is there another one? I don't think so. What the hell?
There's like a wire.
Huh?
There's a wire.
Where?
On this side.
Oh yeah, I know, but
Oh, okay.
it's like stuck right here. I don't know why.
Is it the top?
Oh, there's a fucking screw in there. Some high quality content. Fuck yeah! We're unscrewing a screw! We'll just make unscrewing the screw like really cinematic and like dramatic. Like I'm gonna put some dramatic music to me unscrewing the door thing.
Oh.
Fucking broke it.
Oh no.
Fuck. It still work, but I hate those ones. Ew. What the hell? It's like poop. That's gross. So these are all dry rotted, and I mean, like that's
Oh.
your speaker's not supposed to do that. So these fuckers. Ew. Oh. Ah, it's stuck. Yuck. It's literally like poop. Doesn't smell like poop though. Oh my god! Get off! Ah, it's attacking me. Okay. Don't think these will work. I don't think it's gonna work.
I don't know.
I think they're the wrong size. I mean, that's okay, but there's like no way I can bolt them in. So we're installing the old speakers back in. That was a waste. I think I can return them. Not too sure. Yeah, because see, this doesn't like, and this one actually like lines up with the bolt holes. Kinda. I can return these, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, see, it doesn't like line up. Well, that stinks. Oh well. I guess you can stop recording now.